What should we do now? Slow down.
Whoa!
Help me! Help me! What is wrong with him? Come here. Don't worry, you'll be okay. I need to see a doctor. Calm down.
Oh.
Hello, I need support. Here I come.
Wow.
Wonderful.
Oh yeah!
Something's wrong. I've got a job for you. Oh, very beautiful. Let's go home.
Oh no! Ouch! Come on!
Come on, let's go. I can't. That's great! Call everyone over to help us!
La 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 la.
I will ask someone for help. I need your help. Follow me. Okay, we'll get there immediately. Let's start. Wonderful. Let's get down to work.
Okay.
Yes!
Oh, very beautiful. Okay, done. Wow, it looks good. You've done a great job. Let's go home. Wow, great. Let's go.
Okay.
Aha!